Well, what else can be a great way to show you how capable the camera on the S9 Plus is than to shoot this entire video on the S9 Plus itself? Well, I don't think so there is any other way. If you have any great idea, please comment down below. But for now, let's quickly jump into the video. Before starting this video, I would like to give you 2 reasons why you should watch this video entirely. Number 1, this is an extensive review of the camera on the S9 Plus, so if you are looking for an in-depth review, then you are at the right place, my friend. Second, I have tested this camera under every situation and condition I can think of. Outdoor shots are there, indoor shots are there, I did flash photography, slow-mo videos are there, selfie is there, so I've tested both front camera and back camera under every situation and condition possible. The first category here is the outdoor photography, and all the shots and all the footage are without color correction. They are raw footages and raw photos, and also all the pictures are taken handheld and also the videos are taken handheld, so there is no use of tripod in the entire video. So without further wait, let's do it. Here is the first shot which I took using its back camera. Please keep an eye on the top right corner to know what mode I was using. So this one is shot in auto mode, and as you can see in the photo, the object is very sharp and the overall photo is in detail. The good thing here is that the sky is not overexposed, and that is due to its 2.4 aperture lens. It works pretty well in outdoor condition when you have lots of light. It is of 2.4 aperture, so it won't let more light come in, so your photos will be well exposed and balanced. Also, when you zoom in, you don't tend to lose much details, and even after zooming, the image is sharp, so it did pretty good here. And the next shot here is the same subject using 2x optical zoom. Here the subject is more close and all the details and sharpness is well maintained. Here is another shot in which also it did great job. The way how you can judge the camera is it's by capability to maintain the details of the photo, and here it did very good. The photo is well exposed, balanced, and both the ground and sky details are there. Here is the same shot using 2x optical zoom, and here are some of the other outdoor shots. Please have a look at it.
Okay, so I'm shooting this video from front camera of S9 Plus. Actually, I'm shooting this second time because the first time when I shot the camera was like this, so there was a lot of cropping, so I came again to this place to shoot again. So the audio is also from S9 Plus only. So right now it is evening, so we'll get an idea that how it performs when it has ample amount of light. So this is how it does. Now I will quickly switch back to back camera of S9 Plus. Okay, so right now I'm shooting from back camera of S9 Plus, and I'm shooting in full HD resolution, and image optical stabilization is on, and I'm walking, so you will also get an idea that how the optical image stabilization is working. And also with this one you have a choice of zooming optically up to 2 times.
The phone did excellent job in outdoor condition when there is ample amount of light, and also the optical image stabilization works very well. The footage was not at all shaky. So let's see how it does at night. So here are some of the camera samples. You might think that this is not impressive, but look at the pictures carefully. Not a single picture is blurry. That is because of optical image stabilization, and all the shots were taken handheld only. I would say it can do better during night because there is a lot of noise which can be improved by noise cancellation, which can be learned from the Google Pixel. Other manufacturers are still behind when we talk about making photos noise free. So at night it struggles a bit, but still better than what other phones can do except Pixel 2. Let's move on to our next category, macro photography. Now all the shots were taken outside only. So here are some of the pictures. All the shots are very detailed and sharp, and I am really impressed. Especially this shot here is taken using Pro mode. There was a web and the auto mode wasn't able to get it, but by using the manual focus I got some incredible shots. And also when you take macro shots on this, the optical zoom comes as a big help. Like you cannot go that much close to the subject, but optical zoom maintains all the details and also give you a very good closer look at the subject, and the photos come out to be very interesting. The next is indoor photography, which is very important because this is the category in which we take most of our shots. And for the phone to be considered as a good camera phone, it should perform good under artificial lighting condition. So let's check out some of the shots which I took in different lighting condition. The first is under enough lighting. So here are some of the shots. The first picture here is in auto mode. Only I just tapped on the camera to focus, and here is the next shot in which I tapped on the headphone to focus, and the picture came out to be really good, and you won't lose any details even if you zoom, and the photos are also noise free. Here are some of the samples, and again keep an eye on the top right corner to know what mode I was using. So right now I'm shooting this video from the front camera of S9 Plus to show you guys that how the camera performs in indoor lighting when you use the front camera. So the only source of light we have is this desk light and the another fluorescent light which is of 22 watts. So this is how the camera performs when you are indoor and using the artificial lighting. I will also click some photos for you to show you how the camera is performing when you are using the front camera. So this is it for the front camera. Right now I'm shooting this video from the back camera of S9 Plus, and the only source of light we have is the fluorescent light which we have inside the room and this desk light. So right now I'm indoors, so this will give you an idea if you want to record a video indoor using the S9 Plus. This is how it is going to look like. So yeah, I hope it will be helpful for you to make your purchase decision, or if you want to compare this video or this phone's camera to any other phone, then this might come as a great help. So yeah, this is it. I will also click some pictures using the back camera to give you an idea that how it performs when you are indoor and if you want to use the back camera to click pictures. So yeah, that is it. It did very well under moderate lighting. Let's see how it does in low lighting. So here are some of the shots which I took in a low lighting, and it was shot using auto mode only. And again the camera impressed me. There is no noise at all, and I took all the shots at once only. There is no second chance, but all photos came out to be blur free and noise free, which is an excellent thing.
So right now we are in a dark area. There is not of light available here. So this is how it looks like on the front camera on S9 Plus. Now I will quickly switch back to the back camera and then show you that how the back camera performs. So right now I'm taking this video on the back camera of S9 Plus, and this is how it looks like when it is dark. And there is only artificial light available here. So this is how it looks like. And I'm walking, so you will also get an idea that how the optical image stabilization is working.
Here this shot I took using live focus mode. I maxed out the focus onto 7 and the picture came out to be good only if you ignore the edges of the laptop on the top side, because it failed to maintain the sharpness there, and the reason is the color of the background and the edges of the laptop is same. So here post processing failed to differentiate that. So live focus didn't work very well, but overall the indoor photography is really good. Here are some of the samples from the front camera which I took outdoor, indoor and also at night. At night it struggles a lot. If you don't have enough light, then the picture are going to come out just useless, and that is pretty much same thing with all the phones. If there is not enough light, then your picture are not going to come out really good. So this brings to the last category and the most hyped, the super slow-mo at 960 frames per second. I'm not at all impressed by it. Even in the sunlight, just look at this footage, it is not at all sharp. And I wouldn't recommend you to buy this phone if you are just willing to explore its slow-mo feature. The footage is not good at all, just have a look at it again. It is really a revolutionary upgrade from what we have seen in last generations of flagship. The indoor photography has improved to a huge extent, and also due to its variable aperture capability, the daytime shots are well balanced. The mode which I like the most is the Pro mode. Just learn basic about photography and you will be able to take very great shots. I also like the live focus mode and selfie focus mode because everything with the bokeh looks great. There is still a huge scope of improvement if we look at the night photography. In future, we might receive an update by which it can cancel out the noise in the photo, which will really make it a good all-rounder camera phone. Well, if you are still here and haven't subscribed to our channel, then press that subscribe button so you won't miss out the camera comparison video between the S8 Plus and S9 Plus. If you haven't checked the S9 Plus gaming review, then please check out here. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.